In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fake eye contact on FaceTime. This feature is particularly useful when you want to enhance the feeling of direct communication during your video calls, giving the impression that you're looking directly at your contact even when you're not. Now let's dive into the steps so you can make the most out of your FaceTime calls. First, let's get started by navigating to the FaceTime settings. So, grab your device and open up the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll through the list of options until you find Apps. Tap on Apps and look for FaceTime. This is where we'll make the magic happen to simulate eye contact. Once you're inside the FaceTime settings, the next thing you'll want to do is look for an option named Eye Contact. This feature is designed to subtly adjust the position of your eyes so that the person you're speaking with feels as though you're looking directly at them. It's a neat little trick that can make a big difference in how your calls feel. Now that you've found the eye contact option, it's time to enable this feature. Simply toggle the switch to the on position. As soon as you do, this smart feature will be activated and you'll appear to maintain direct eye contact during your FaceTime calls. Isn't that cool? This setting is particularly handy for those wanting to maintain that level of personal connection, whether it's for business meetings, catching up with a friend, or checking in with family members. But what if you decide you don't need this feature all the time? It's just as simple to turn it off. Whenever you feel like going back to a more natural call experience, just revisit the same settings. Go back to the eye contact option and toggle the switch to the off position. Your calls will then reflect the usual camera view without eye alignment adjustments. Easy, right? Remember, these settings allow you to quickly toggle the feature on or off at any time, providing you flexibility. Whether you're switching it on for a formal meeting or turning it off for a casual chat, having control over the visual emphasis of your video calls can enhance communication and connection. There you have it, a straightforward way to add a subtle yet effective touch of realism to your FaceTime conversations. By adjusting one small setting, you can shift how connected and engaged you appear during those important video interactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this feature to enhance your FaceTime calls.